Welcome back again to Onyx Food Hill. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make cream from milk. I'm using a fresh whole milk here. In other words, I'm going to be showing you how to turn milk into cream. I just brought the milk out of the fridge. As you can see, it's having some ice block inside. So let's move straight to the point. I'm simply going to show you how to turn this milk into cream right away. Okay, so I have a pot here which I'm going to bring the milk into. I've got about 7 liters of milk here. So I had to get the amount for the purpose of this video. You can always start with a little amount, then I'm going to tell you what to do at the end. So I have a large pot I'm pouring the milk into. Is almost filling the pot. I'm bringing the milk on a stove top, so I'm going to allow it to heat up and then start to boil. Milk is heated up, the ice has melted already, so I'm just going to continue the cooking, then allow the milk to fully come to a boil. Then I'm going to be stirring this from time to time. Okay, the milk has come to a boil. Is really boiling, so from time to time I'm just going to stir this. Just make sure you stand very close so your milk doesn't boil over. Guys, I have been cooking this milk for the past 15 minutes. It's fully heated and the heat is well distributed, so I'm going to turn off my heat at this moment and I'll stop stirring the milk. Now it's time to cool the milk. The fastest way to cool the milk is to place it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Okay, it's going to hasten the cooling process. However, you can leave it on the counter of your kitchen, but it's going to take a lot of time for it to cool down. Remember, I'm working with a lot of milk here, so it might really take a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm going to place it on the floor first for about 30 minutes, then I'm going to take it to the freezer to cool it faster. The milk has been placed in the freezer for 4 hours and this is how it turned out. A thick cream is formed at the top, so I'm just going to use a large spoon to scoop this out. Okay, so I'm going to place this in a bowl, then I'm going to quickly pack the rest. Look at how thick and creamy that looks like. The thing about collecting cream from milk is this: each time you buy milk, you keep collecting it over time. Otherwise, you won't end up with a large quantity like this because it can be very small. So you have to keep collecting it each time you buy fresh milk and you gather it in the fridge, or you can simply buy a large quantity of milk like the way I did. If you're collecting it over time, be sure to store it in the fridge properly so that it will not end up as sour cream or as butter, because if it stays for a very long time or if you don't refrigerate it properly, it's going to turn to sour cream or butter. Okay, the leftover milk can be boiled again and you can collect more. However, this is skim milk. If you want to know how to make skim milk, check the link that appears on your screen above. We will need to blend this to turn it into a smooth cream. So I'm bringing this into the blender and I'm going to blend this a few times. If your own appears too thick, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh milk into it and blend. Now I'm just going to blend this for 30 seconds. Guys, this type of cream I just made is heavy cream because it's high in fat. You can use these for your cake recipes and also for your ice cream recipes. You now have your heavy cream ready, and you can easily whip this right away. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was how to make heavy cream from milk at home. It's something you can easily do at home. Please, if you're new to this channel, support us by subscribing, give us a thumbs up, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload an interesting video again. Thank you for watching, guys. You can share this video with your friends. Let me see you soon. Bye.